Welcome to TechUnboxPro, your ultimate stop for premium smartphone reviews. Today, we're taking a quick look at the stunning Sony Xperia 1, the phone that brings cinema-quality experience right into your hands. The Xperia 1 features a 6.5-inch 4K OLED HDR display, offering breathtaking clarity and color accuracy. Its glass and metal design feels luxurious, crafted to perfection for those who love premium aesthetics. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 series processor, this device handles multitasking, gaming, and performance with incredible smoothness. The experience is fast, fluid, and reliable, exactly what you expect from a true flagship. On the back, the triple 12-megapixels camera setup delivers professional-grade photography and cinematic 4K HDR video recording. Whether you're shooting portraits or landscapes, the results are always crystal clear. With Dolby Atmos sound, a powerful battery, and fast charging, Xperia 1 balances performance and style perfectly. If you love stunning visuals, smooth power, and professional photography, the Sony Xperia 1 is built just for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechUnboxPro for more awesome tech content every day.